Hello and welcome back, friends. Today we will be seeing the method of synthetic division. Method of synthetic division is used to find out the factors of cubic equations or equations in which the highest power of the variable is more than 2. So let's see the method of synthetic division with an example. Let's consider the example 2x cube plus x squared minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. Now the first step of synthetic division is the trial and error method, in which we take random values of x, put it down in the expression and see to it that the value comes out to be 0, which gives us the first factor of the equation. For example, let us take the value of x as minus 1. If I put x equal to minus 1 in the above expression, it gives me 2 into minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square minus 13 into minus 1 plus 6. Now evaluating this, it is going to give me 2 into minus 1 cube is minus 1, minus 1 square is 1, minus 13 into minus 1 is plus 13 plus 6. That gives me minus 2 plus 13 plus 1 is 14, 14 plus 6 is 20. Minus 2 plus 20 gives me 18, that is not equal to 0. So I move on to the next number. For example, x is equal to 1. Again repeating the same procedure, 2 into 1 cube plus 1 square minus 13 into 1 plus 6. Evaluating it, it is going to give me 2 plus 1 minus 13 plus 6. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 minus 13 is minus 10 plus 6, which is giving me minus 4. That is again not equal to a 0. So I move ahead to the next number. Let's take it as 2. So 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 13 into 2 plus 6. That is equal to 2 into 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, minus 13 into 2 is going to give me minus 26 and plus 6. Evaluating this will give me 2 8s are 16 plus 4 minus 26 plus 6, which is equal to 16 plus 4 is 20, 20 plus 6 is 26, and this minus 26, which is coming out to be equal to 0. As soon as I get a 0, I stop with my trial and error method, as I've got my first factor of the cubic equation as 2. You can even write it down as x minus 2 is equal to a 0. Now we move ahead to the next step of the synthetic division, which is writing down the coefficient of the given coefficients of x in the given expression in the following format. So towards the right hand side of the line, we are going to write down the coefficients of x, that is 2, 1, minus 13 and 6. Towards the left hand side, we will write down the first factor, which is 2. Now carry 2, the first number, down as it is, multiply it with the factor. So 2 into 2 is going to give me 4. Add it up. 1 plus 4 is going to give me 5. Now 5 again will be multiplied by the factor 2. So 2 into 5 is giving me 10. Add it up. Minus 13 plus 10 gives me minus 3. Again multiply 2 with this minus 3. So 2 into minus 3 gives me minus 6. Add it up. It gives me 0. As soon as we get the last number as 0, we stop with the second step. Now the third step is writing down these numbers in the form of equation, where you put down the power of the variable in the descending form. For example, you can write these numbers as 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. So you see, this gives me a quadratic equation, and we can find out the factors of quadratic equation. Finding the factors of quadratic equation I have already covered up in my previous videos. You can refer to them. Let's find out the factors of these equation. 2 into minus 3 gives me minus 6. I'm going to find out the factors of minus 6 such that it gives me plus 5. So my smaller factor has a negative sign, bigger factor has a positive sign. And I begin with 1 and 6. Minus 1 into 6 gives me minus 6. Minus 1 plus 6 gives me plus 5. So therefore I can write it down as 2x squared minus x plus 6x minus 3. Now pairing the terms and taking out common terms, it is going to give me x into 2x minus 1 plus 3 into 2x minus 1. So since 2x minus 1 is a common term, I can write it down as 2x minus 1 into x plus 3. So here we have found out the three factors of the cubic equation as x minus 2, 2x minus 1 and x plus 3. So therefore I can write down the given expression 2x cube plus x square minus 13x plus 6 equal to 0 as x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 into x plus 3 equals to 0, where these are the three factors of the cubic equation. In case if you have an equation in which the power of the variable, the highest power of the variable is 4, you'll get 4 factors. In case the degree is 5, then you get 5 factors and so on. I hope this method proves useful to you. If you have any suggestions or doubts, please feel free to mention in the comment section. Please stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.